Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm making a recording on how to apply a smart DL in Kenya. I'll be taking you step by step. The very first information you need to know is that now when applying for smart DL, initially we were going to eCitizen, where we would find N.T.S.A and apply for our license. Using the new curriculum, things have shifted that we have to apply first for applying for a smart driving license. You have to go to TIMS and apply. TIMS is Transport Integrated Management System. This is where you access all services offered by National Transport Safety Authority, N.T.S.A, where the services that N.T.S.A offers include vehicle registration, maybe vehicle search, applying for driving license. So back to the tutorial, I'll be taking you one-on-one how to apply for a smart DL. So the very first thing that you need is you need to have a TIMS account. This is our TIMS account. Once you will come and I'll take you through as we are logging in through the TIMS account. For you to log in TIMS account, you have you can either log in using your ID number, your island number, your diplomatic number, your user number, your certificate of incorporation. But for this time, I'll be using my ID card to register. So I'll come. You will log in. You will click the password. Then we'll come to we'll tell the system to give us a code for us to be signed in. So once we are logged in, we'll see it's telling the system is very secure. The Transport Integrated Management System, the TIMS, it tells me the previous time that I had logged in. It tells me please modify immediately for safety of the account. I'm good to go. So this is the platform. This is a platform. You can see it provides me the N.T.S.A help desk. We also can we can be able to log into this system using our eCitizen portal. So these are the services that National Transport Safety Authority is offering: vehicle registration, vehicle inspection, driving license, online search, and online search. For our case, we are applying smart DL. So the very 5 things that you required for you to register for you to acquire smart DL, you need to have registered to a TIMS account. In the description link, I have a link that I'm showing you how to apply for a TIMS account. This is the initial TIMS account. This is the way this TIMS account looks like. It provides you a platform where you can sign using your eCitizen, or maybe you can register for an account, and you have to subscribe for SMS, for N.T.S.A SMSs, which is the code that you are sent from 22848 487. So the other thing that you need to, the very first thing that you need for you to apply for a smart DL, you need to have registered for a TIMS account. Second thing, you need to apply for a provincial driving license, a PDL. Thirdly, you need to apply for a test booking license. So when you apply for test booking, you will get a booking or to a physical location to N.T.S.A, where you will go for a kind of an examination, where the N.T.S.A will send their agent to you. Once they send their agent to you, you will be able to they will query your expertise in driving, and that is when they will fill your test booking. That is when they will fill either licensed or licensed, so for you to have an access to application to smart DL. Until you've met the 4 requirements, you cannot be able to. When you come to this platform, when we come to driving license and we come to apply for a smart DL, you will not be seeing your details, because you must the first thing, you must have a valid smart DL. So for a smart DL, you need to come to for application for a provincial driving license. You need to come here and register using 650 shillings. For my portal, I've already applied for that. You need also test booking. Test booking, it is where you book for an appointment where to with N.T.S.A for this physical location. You'll have to pay also 650 shillings. Then the N.T.S.A will send their agent who will come and query your driving test. Upon them querying your driving skills, they will update your status, either licensed or for my case, I know they have they have updated my case as I'm licensed my status in test booking is licensed. That is why I'm able to have an access to application to Smart DL. So we'll go to application to Smart DL. It tells me, please check driving classes. If not correct, do not apply for Smart DL, but click the link below to apply for data collection. The data will be collected after application. If all information is accurate, please proceed to apply for a Smart DL. So we'll come here and say please confirm it's correct. All the information is correct. We'll come here. For us to apply for a Smart DL, once we've met the 4 requirements, we'll come and pay a fee of 3,050 shillings. Now that I'm at that step, it tells me I'm waiting. It tells me apply for Smart DL. It tells me kindly book a Smart DL appointment after the payment. I will now come to pay session. So after I'm done, I will book for an appointment where I'll go to N.T.S.A location, which is located in any Huduma center, or I'll go to their head office where I will after booking the appointment, I'll come to pay. Once I click pay, it tells me that payment is non-refundable. Please notice that you should not underpay or overpay the indicated amount. I'm supposed to pay specifically 3,050 shillings. They provide for me different methods where I'll be able to choose my payment method, but this time I'm using my N.T.S.A. It tells me I'm supposed to pay to this pay bill. I'll be paying 3,500 via N.T.S.A. And once this is the platform, I should go to my N.T.S.A phone, select a pay bill, a business number, enter the account, enter the amount. Then after that, upon payment, I will come and click the complete button, and from then I'll now be taken to booking for an appointment with N.T.S.A. So it tells me I'm done, and they told me please note that you should not underpay or overpay the indicated amount. I've completed confirming your payment. The National Transport Safety Authority N.T.S.A have integrated with N.T.S.A. So by default, I know they will. I don't need to send them any codes or anything. By default, if upon paying, I know it will pick automatically. It tells me please wait for the payment results. I'll be waiting for the payment results. Then the next thing that I'll be doing, I'll go to book an appointment so that I may go to N.T.S.A where I will be picking fingerprints because I'm applying for a Smart DL. So I will so as I wait for them to give me their payment results, I need to be very clear with the 5 steps that you need for you to apply Smart DL in Kenya. The very first step, you need to register for a TIMS account. This is a transport integrated management system, where this is the platform that you are getting in all services offered by N.T.S.A. That is the first step. The second step, you need to apply for a for a PDL. Provisional driving license is the license that you normally use when you are teaching yourself to drive, so that you may access the tarmac roads and anything. That's the license that you use in your driving school. You'll apply for it for 650 shillings. Ensure that when you are applying your Smart DL, that the PDL, the provincial driving license, is still valid. The third step that you need for you to apply for Smart DL is pay a fee over 650 shillings for you to apply for test booking. These are steps that are facilitated by the driving school. Upon paying your test booking, make sure the day that you've booked for your test to N.T.S.A physical location, you are not late. You reach at the exact times, because you will meet an agent from N.T.S.A who will query your skills, your driving skills. Once they query your driving skills, they will update your test booking status, either licensed, or licensed, or they will update it to licensed once you pass the test. Upon passing the test, that is the only moment that this platform of applying applying smart PDL, that is the time you will be the TIMS account will authenticate you to access it. So I think we are very clear. We can say after I've paid for the N.T.S.A, this is the invoice that I've just paid. It tells me application for smart DL. It tells me the convenience fee that I've paid. This is my digital receipt, my reference number. I know now I have an option of printing it. I'll print it using I'll save it as a PDL. Before saving it as a PDL, I'll print it in the best way to print it is in landscape. Let me see how it looks in portrait. The best thing is to print it in portrait, and I will say save as a PDL. I'll save it as a PDL, and I will come here and save it. Now I'll get my tell me view my receipt. View my receipt. This is the receipt that I'm going to use when I go to the N.T.S.A headquarters, when I'm picking my I'm going for fingerprint checks as for me to get the smart DL. Now I need to come in here and come and book an appointment with the N.T.S.A where I'll go and get my smart DL. So when it comes to booking, I'll pick a center where I'll access N.T.S.A office. You can access them through Huduma Center that is near your location. When we come to booking date, the earliest they are telling me that I can book is on 24th, and it tells me to book for the time that I'm convenient from 8 to 4:30. So I try to book a date at the nearest available date. I picked the nearest available date. It tells me green indicates a slot is available and for booking, and red indicates that a slot is taken. So once you see this challenge, come and just try to book the next day. It tells me green until I see a date that it's available. So green, it has told me that on this 26th August, this is the date. This is the third date after the available dates. That is when it's available. I'll book for that day. It tells me TIMS and Ntsa, please fill in. I'll just click OK, and I think I'm good to go. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. So we will be booking from 8 to 4:30. Those are the working hours. It tells me kindly ensure the information is correct. The applicant will be responsible for any issue or risk in arising any submission of wrong information. I'll say okay. Sorry for your booking time has conflict. Please choose again. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. If you have a query, consult me through my official email, njogukarongo@gmail.com. You will get my details in the description link. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Thank you.